I duck in it. 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 Who does go to work on a Thursday or even a Friday when it have parties? I still put on my wet clothes, but I just stay to wine and the shorty. She tell me she up there. Tell my supervisor I sick, have diarrhea and I need to shoot. I need to go to the pharmacy, but I end up in fire the work. I will jump up and whining down, pumping just like a hooligan when I turn around and see my boss in the place. If you see me again, I don't want my boss to see, so I duck it. Don't want him to fire me, so I duck it. Post to be in the pharmacy, so I duck it. Yeah. If you see me whine, 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 and I duck it, choke, 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 and I duck it. If you see me whine, 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 and I duck it, choke, 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 and I duck it.
It look nice, you could look real nice.
I'd like to wish each and every one of you Merry Christmas